Okay, so one of the things that we're going to go over in third grade is counting money. They did a lot of counting money in second grade and in first. Kinder was a lot of learning the coins. So by the time they get to third, we're kind of expecting them to be a little bit familiar with counting money. Of course, we're always going to start out with real coins, play coins, whatever. It's always a good idea to let your kids at home dump out your change jar and let them practice counting. The more practice, the better. So the strategy we're going to use, like let's say if they have this picture and Carlos found the money in his pocket and he wants to find out how much he has. Of course, we're always going to start with the bills, and labeling is always a wonderful strategy in third grade. So I have $1, $2, $3. That's easy. And this question was nice, and they put the coins in order of value. But if they were all just kind of jumbled up and mixed, we always tell the kids you want to start with the highest coin, which would be the quarter. So that's worth 25, and I would have them label that. The next coin is the dimes, and so we're going to be adding on 10. So we use a lot of numeracy strategies where the kids practice counting on 10 more and 10 more, which may sound like it's kind of easy, but that can kind of be tricky sometimes. So it is something that we practice when we do numeracy. So if I have 25 and I add 10 more, I know it seems easy, but some of them have to think. So we kind of explain, look, if it's 25 and I'm adding 10 more, all you're doing is changing the tens digit. The ones digit's going to stay the same. So that would be 35 plus 10 more would be 45. I don't have any nickels, so now I'm just going to count by one. That's easy. So 46 and 47. And so I have $3.47. And so labeling that and always starting with the highest value coin is going to be very helpful. Also, getting the kids to count on 10 to any number is really helpful. Sometimes they get confused when they're adding 10, now we're counting by 5, now we're counting by 1. Some of them can get jumbled. So the more you can dump out change and have kids practice counting money at home, the better they'll be.